It's true, you can have yourself a retro gaming arcade and an $800 restaurant tech. Even though this tech was found in the trash and almost useless to the average household, I was able to find a way to repurpose it, and I had some fun. And I hope you will too. Stay here. My buddy says he found a POS in the trash. Do you want it? I was like, I got plenty of pieces of S here, man. What's up? He says maybe you can do something with it. It's called Chef Tab. Oh, one of those point of sale kind of things. Interesting. It looks like any budget Android TV box, to be honest, but I can't find any useful information on the hardware inside, and the software is locked with a PIN number. There's probably a default code to surpass it. However, in the meantime, I can take it apart to reveal what's in there. So I'm trying to do a little emulation station here where you put the program on the SD card, and when you turn power on the box, it'll just start running. And that's hopefully it'll work if I find out what kind of hardware is in here. Ah, there's a clue. The sticker on the PCB reads 2GB and 16GB. Smaller number will be the RAM size, and the 16 will be the flash memory. That may or may not be locked. If you just have a normal Android TV box, you can skip this step. You don't have to take it apart. You can just download the HWID app from the Play Store, and that'll get all the specs you need. So with the information I need, I went to see what build fit my needs, and I downloaded it from GitHub. Then I grabbed the etching tool for my SD or USB drive. Keep in mind, I'll leave these links in the description. If everything went right, we are very, very close to retro gaming. And I mean all the retro goodness you can imagine will flow from this 5-volt Chef Tabaruski. So plug up all those peripherals and stand by. And if you missed a step, don't worry, a full tutorial that I watched will be in the description. And it's very easy to follow.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who drafted.
Whoa baby, a Trash Pick Chef Tab is a fantastic game box, but here's how I unlocked it just by using the default 49s code, and now I have access to chef tickets and more. The box is running a slimmed down version of Android 9. I did try to wipe it and upgrade to Android TV, but I think the bootloader is locked with this cool kitchen software. Until next time, your order's up for some retro gaming. And dude, you skipped all the way here again? Come on.